ladies and gentlemen. It is me again, Emmanuel Mabula. It is a pleasure to stand parallel to you and perpendicular to the surface. We are about to begin from where we left off. In the previous videos we did ungroup data, whereby we had to determine the mean, we had to determine the mode, we had to determine the minimum and the maximum and the range. Then we did the quartiles. We had to determine the first quartile, the second quartile, and the third quartile. So now we're going to begin from where we left off. We're going to do the box and whisker diagram. So first of all, when dealing with box and whisker diagrams, we have to have the 5-number summary. So when doing the 5-number summary, like I did in the previous video, we're going to see what 5 number summary. From the 5-number summary, we're going to determine the minimum value, which is the lowest number out of the total data set. Then we're going to find what Q1, which is the first quarter of our given data set. Then we're going to find Q2, which is the middle of our data set, the middle number of the given data set, or the first half of the given data set. Then Q3 and the maximum value. We want to draw a diagram which is called a box and whisker diagram in order for us to check the distribution of the data, how the data is distributed. So as you can see from the given data, the minimum value it is 2. The minimum value from the given data it is 2. The Q1, we're going to say, okay, before indicating the Q1, we have to first indicate Q2. So when determining Q2, we go back to our data set and try to find the middle of our data, the middle number of our data set. So we have found that the middle of our data set the middle number of our data set it is 7, which is Q2. Which is Q2. So therefore, Q2 divides the data into 2 halves. So this is what first half. This is what first half, then this is second half. Then in order for us to determine Q2, in order for us to determine Q1, we have to find the median, the middle number of the first half of our data set. So we need to say, so we have found that Q1 lies between 2 numbers. So we have to find the average of those 2 numbers. We have to add those 2 numbers and divide by 2. So for us to find Q1, we say Q1 is equals to 3 plus 3 divided by 2. Q1 is equals to, it's going to 6 divided by 2, which is equals to 3. So our Q1 it is 3. Our Q1 it is 3. Then we have to find Q3. For us to find Q3, we have to go to the second half of our data set and find the middle of the second half of the data set. So the middle number, we have 7, 10, 9, 8. So the middle, it is what? Between 8 and 9, which is probably 8,5. Which is probably 8,5. So in order for us to find Q3, we're going to say 8 plus 9 divided by 2, which is 8 plus 9 divided by 2, which is 8,5. So our Q3 is 8,5. Then we have to find the max, which is the maximum number from the what? From the given data set. So our maximum number here, it is 10. So our maximum number is what? It is 10. So from the given 5 number summary, it will be much easier for us to draw the box and whisker diagram. Box and whisker diagram. So before drawing the box and whisker diagram, step 1, we have to come up with an appropriate scale. Step 1, we have to come up with an appropriate. Step 1, we have to come up with what? With scale. So as you can see that the biggest number, it is 10. So we already drew our scale. So from here we can continue in this fashion. We are going to plot the minimum and the maximum. So this is our minimum and this is our maximum. So now we're going to plot Q2, which is between 6 and 8. So this is our Q2. This is our Q2. So we're going to say this is Q2, this is maximum, and this is minimum. Then we want to add Q2 maximum and Q2. We're left with Q1. So Q1 is 3. Then Q3 is 8, which is here. So now we plot or join the various points. So ladies and gentlemen, here is our box and whisker diagram. Step 1, you choose what? Step 1, you find your 5 number summary. Step 2, you draw an appropriate scale. Step 3, you plot the individual points. Step 4, you connect the individual points to make these lines are your whiskers. These are your whiskers. And this one is your box. This one is also your whiskers. So these are your whiskers and this is your box. So now last part we're going to determine the skewness. So in order for us to determine the skewness, we have 3 options. It is either positively skewed, negatively skewed, or equally distributed. The skewness. Under skewness, you can have what? 3 options. It can be what? Positively skewed, or negatively skewed, or equally distributed. So now, how do we determine if our box of whisker it is positively skewed or negatively skewed or equally distributed? First of all, you check the diagram. Some other textbook may not say positively skewed, they may say skewed towards the what? The right, or skewed towards the left. So, as you can see,